How to take care of curly hair naturally. Take care of curly hair. With curly hair, you'll always want to focus on products that help add moisture to the hair and avoid any hair product that's going to dry out or weigh hair down. Choose the right shampoo and conditioner. Look for a shampoo and conditioner specially designed for curly hair. In general, look for products that include natural or essential oils like coconut oil, jojoba oil, sunflower oil, and avocado oil, aloe vera, keratin, shea butter, hydrolyzed silk and animal proteins, panthenol and provitamins, plant extracts. While you may not want to wash your hair every day, when you do, use a mild shampoo which contains gentler cleansing agents as well as added conditioning agents. If your hair is oily or dirty, you should still use a stronger clarifying shampoo once every 1 or 2 weeks. Always follow shampooing with a conditioner to help lock in moisture. Pre-shampoo treatment. If you have very coarse or curly hair, you may want to try using a pre-shampoo treatment. Contrary to popular belief, you don't have to condition only after cleansing. You can use a conditioner both before and after you shampoo. Coarse curly hair tends to lose moisture very quickly. Using a conditioner before shampooing in theory helps to protect the hair strands so that the shampoo won't strip the hair of its natural oils. Washing hair with cold water and avoiding hot water will help you retain moisture and strength. Avoid over-shampooing. Shampooing every day isn't a good idea for people with curly hair. Shampooing can strip the hair of its much-needed natural oils. Choose the right brush or comb. Curly hair is often dry and brittle and can break easily when combed or brushed. Try brushing or combing curly hair in the shower to avoid breakage. Start with a wide tooth comb to break up any knots. You can also comb while the conditioner is still in your hair to make it easier and to ensure the conditioner coats all your strands. When choosing a hairbrush, invest in a high-quality brush with natural bristles instead of plastic. A boar bristle brush can help spread natural oils from the scalp through the ends of the hair. If you have particularly springy curls, try applying a leave-in conditioner and then raking through wet hair with your fingertips. Avoid split ends. Split ends are hard to avoid completely. Also, there's really no way to repair them except cutting them off. The best way to avoid split ends is to be very gentle with your curly locks. To prevent split ends, use a detangler when brushing to avoid pulling and yanking. Try not to tie your hair back into tight ponytails or buns. Make sure to use a wide tooth comb. Stay away from heat tools. Get a trim from a professional stylist roughly every 2 to 3 months. How often should you wash your curly hair? If you want to jump in the shower and wet your locks every day, you probably shouldn't use a cleansing shampoo each time. On some days, you can even just rinse with water and then apply a conditioner. On other days, use a mild shampoo to avoid stripping the hair of its natural oils. Hair masks for curly hair. Masks containing ingredients like honey, coconut oil, banana, and avocado add moisture to your hair and work well when used overnight. If your curls are very dry, consider using a hair mask once or twice a week. Oils for curly hair. Coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, castor oil. What not to do if you have curly hair. Products containing sulfates, alcohol, harsh chemicals, and fragrances. Using clarifying shampoo more than once a week. Using heat styling tools more than once or twice a month. Rinsing with hot water in the shower. Pulling your hair into a tight ponytail or bun all the time. Fine-toothed combs. Trying to detangle dry hair. Thanks for watching.